Hi everyone, myself Dora Maria Agassi and my topic is Rice as a supplementary cementitious material in concrete. Introduction. Concrete industry is booming all around the world due to the continuous urbanization, infrastructure project and growing population. With its abundance, concrete makes a mammoth toll on the environment. The process of making Portland cement, the most common form to produce concrete, is considered as one of the most carbon-intensive manufacturing process in existence. Manufacturing of just 1 ton yields 1,000 pounds of carbon dioxide. And also, cement production is highly costly and energy-consuming process. In this current scenario, it's quite important to think about alternative low-carbon supplementary cementitious material which can partially replace the cement. Next is supplementary cementitious material. These are the materials which are reclaimed from agricultural and industrial waste. They exhibit pozzolanic behavior. The pozzolanic materials combine with calcium hydroxide in presence of moisture at ordinary temperature to form the compounds which exhibit cementitious behavior. And they enhances the property of concrete in both fresh and hardened state. Examples are rheoscash, glass, plastic, silica, etc. Study shows that rheoscash is an effective low-carbon supplementary cementitious material. Next is rheoscash. The United States Department of Agriculture estimated that global rice production is about 499.31 million metric tons. Rice starch is obtained by burning of the rice hull. It consists of 60% silica, about 10 to 40% carbon, and minor proportion of other compounds like oxides of sodium, magnesium. It's lightweight, bulky, and highly porous. Chemical and physical properties are highly similar to OPC. This is rices and rheoscash. Properties of rheoscash embedded concrete. Study shows that rheoscash enhances the property of concrete, and major findings are they exhibit hypozzolanic property because of the fineness and filler nature. The compressive and flexural strength is increased. Durability of the mix, concrete mix incorporated with rheoscash is enhanced. As a result, a gradual reduction was observed in the values of alkali-silica reaction, chloride and penetration, corrosion rates. So rheoscash is a green, sustainable and environmental friendly solution. This is about the research design. Here the properties like workability, sustainability, compressive strength, durability, and thermal conductivity of the reinforced cement concrete incorporated with rheoscash is evaluated. Materials required for the design. Ordinary Portland cement of grade 53. Aggregates are fine aggregate M sand and coarse aggregate crushed rock of 12 mm size, rheoscash of 8 mm size, then hook steel fibers of length 50 mm and water. For the design purpose, we prepare a design mix and a standard mix. The design mix consists of cement, aggregate, rheoscash, steel fibers, and water, while the standard mix consists of cement, aggregate, water, and steel fibers. This is the rheoscash and steel fibers taken for the experimental purpose. This is about the experiment. Here the rheoscash is burnt at a temperature ranging from 700 to 800 degrees Celsius. The water cement ratio is kept constant as 0.4 for all the mix. But 12 samples were taken with varying proportion of rheoscash. It is replaced at the rate of 5%, 10%, 15 and 20%. And samples were tested after 7, 14, 20, 90, and 236 days. Various testers were conducted to determine the properties like compressive strength, workability, thermal conductivity, and durability. Using American Standard Testing Mission, the compressibility can be found out. Some test is conducted to determine the workability of the samples. Using heat flow meter, thermal conductivity values are obtained. air permeability, and chloride at penetration is done to determine the durability. Conclusion. The cost effectiveness and enhanced durability coupled with energy efficient contribution of turning down the global thermostat make rises such a significant contributor to a holistic approach by the concrete industry to the global issue of environmental sustainability. This paper is only a start. Further investigations need to be done to determine the properties like fracture and brittleness characters of the reinforced cement concrete incorporated with rice sponge. These are the references. Thank you.